Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rainbow 7 Cloud Tech. In this video we will see how to attach an extra disk to an existing virtual machine in Azure portal. Suppose we have an Windows virtual machine running in Azure portal. There is a requirement of extra disk for this virtual machine. So we'll add a new disk to this virtual machine. Let's start our lab. Sign into Azure portal. And once you are logged into the portal, just go to all services and click virtual machine. I have two virtual machines listed here, and I need to attach an extra disk to this web server virtual machine. If you have not created a virtual machine yet, please visit my channel and watch my YouTube video how to create a virtual machine in Azure portal step by step. Link is also available in description. So here I will select this virtual machine. Under overview, scroll down. You can see here the disk, and I have operating system disk attached to this virtual machine, and there is no data disk. That means data disk listed is 0. If I click on the disk, I can see the details. The OS disk, you can see the disk name and the size and the storage type. Similarly, for the data disk, I don't have any data disk attached to this virtual machine. Also, we'll connect to the virtual machine first and see what it is listed on the Windows operating system. Click on overview, click connect. Under native RDP, select download the RDP file. I'll give username and password. Now I have logged into the Windows operating system. I'll go to the file explorer, this PC. I can see here the C drive and the D drive. C drive is the Windows and D is the temporary storage. To see the exact disks attached to the virtual machine, we need to go to disk management. Go to the disk management. Here we can see the exact disks attached to this virtual machine. Disk 0, where we have the C volume, Windows, and there is a storage which is given by Azure for temporary storage. This is the disk 1, and we don't have any other disk attached right now. So we'll go back to Azure portal. Under the overview, or you can go from the settings. Under settings, you can click on disk. Here we'll attach a new disk. Click create and attach a new disk. Learn is taken as 0. Give a disk name. Select the storage type, premium SSD or standard SSD. Give a size for this data disk. I'll go with 512 GB. Remaining things leave as it is. After you make any changes here, click on save. We need to save the changes. So after the changes, disk is created and the information is updated to the virtual machine. So after the updated completed, then we can go to our virtual machine. Once again log into virtual machine. You can see here under the file explorer, still I cannot see any extra drive. So we'll go back to disk management, open it. I can see here a second disk is attached which is still offline. We need to make it online. Right click and make it online. It will initialize the disk. Initialize the disk. After it becomes online, you need to create a volume. Right click, create a volume. Next, you can create multiple volumes. I'll go with some 256 approximately for one drive. Assign a drive letter. There is another which is unallocated, approximately 255 GB. You can create a new volume here also. Give the remaining size. Assign a drive letter. Give a name for this volume. Click next. Finish. So for this 512 GB disk, I have created the two volumes. Now on the file explorer, I can see here the two drives listed, F and G, where we can save the data. Go back to your Azure portal. Under the disks, you can see our operating system disk and the newly created data disk. In this way we can create and attach a extra disk to the virtual machine. We will see in next video how to increase the size of a virtual machine, like add more CPU or add more memory to an existing virtual machine. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.